Oh no.
Yeah.
Yeah, check 1 2. Check 1 2. Can you hear me, Fluffy Pukeko? Can you hear me, Fluffy Pukeko? Okay. Oh, kia ora everyone. My name's Brox and I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver. So we're like the native people to Aotearoa, New Zealand, and that's where I'm currently based. And so with this art form of whakairo Māori woodcarving, I started the journey when I was 12 years old, introduced to it by my uncle Mani Te Are, who's also a carver, and been carving ever since. I'm 28 now. Done 3 years learning through New Zealand Māori Arts and Crafts Institute, and the purpose of this channel is just follow the journey with me, be it through carving or World of Warcraft, whatever it may be, and thank you all for your support. And check.